Welcome to Monimation. I'm Moni. Today I'm going to talk about how to create a static page. Log into your admin panel. Go to New Content. Enter title. This is blindtextgenerator.com. We grab free progress here. Further, free paragraphs. Select all. Copy to clipboard. Back to your admin panel. Paste it. And then click Options. Choose General category. And then click Advanced. Choose Type. Static. Alter the position to 2. Click Save. Click Website icon. Your static page is here. Back to your admin panel. Change the position of the 2 static pages. Now it is position 1. Edit. Options. Advanced. Change 1 to 2. And then click Save. Click Content again. Static. Portfolio. Options. Advanced. Change 2 to 1. Click Save. Back to your website. Refresh. Portfolio and About the change position, so that you can change the position to your likings. Okay. Let's take a break now. In the next video, I will talk about how to create a sticky page. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment to support our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.